guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing fidgets. As you know, I love fidgets. So first up is my stress ball. Homemade stress ball with beads in it. It's really fun. Should probably make one. Cool. And then second up, we have my little black penguin that I just got. I don't know where my other puppets are. They're in my room. I think they're in my room somewhere, but I don't know where they are in my room. But this is really smooth, and I really like it. And third up is my ghost. I call him faceless because his face washed off, which I'm sad about. And fourth is my little piggy, Mochi. And I think I named him Piggy, like from Roblox, like the horror Piggy. Then fifth up, we have a shark, my favorite Mochi that I have. I love him. He's so cute too. And also he's so sticky and squishy. And I think his name is like, I don't know, like Fearless, yeah. And then we have a little tiny elephant. I like him, he's cute. Pinky, that's Pinky. I named him, it's pretty funny. Then we got my little hippopotamus hippo. And I named him Fat Hippo. Kind of funny and weird. And then I got my cat. He kind of lost his eye, but he's still squishy and cute, and I like him. So, and this was my first ever Mochi, and I named him Fat Cat, like Fat Cats, you know that place. Then another elephant, but a longer trunk. And his name is, this one's name is Pinky Jr. This one's name is Pinky Senior. This is basically his baby. And then we have my little pufferfish, cute. One of my first. Its name is Puffer. And then I named him after me, Salvatore James Jr. Funny, my unicorn. And then Polar Bear got a crooked face now. I don't know how he got a crooked face, but he got a crooked face. I'm pretty sad about that. He was pretty cute. Well, he still is pretty cute. And his name is Polly. Then we got my other homemade stretch ball with Orbeez in it. So fun and satisfying. It's so easy to squish too. I just love this. Then we got my gold fidget spinner. I really like the color, if you see that. I just got it yesterday, and it's really good. I like it so much. It's not like other fidget spinners, because this one's so smooth and nice and pretty. Then we got my slime. My kinetic slime, actually. It's kind of funny how I make kinetic slime. I just put some of that slime with kinetic slime. It's kind of messy, but you just have to mix it in. And here you go. It looks so cool. So from this and kinetic sand together makes this. And I like it so much. It feels like a doughy feeling. And I like it so much. And it's sparkly and has kinetic slime, kinetic sand. Oh, it feels so good. I just love it. And then we also have normal kinetic slime. Sand. Kinetic sand. Why do I keep saying kinetic slime? Right here. That's sick. I just got a castle because the thing is a castle. And it's really cool. I mixed it all in together. It was rainbow. And I mix it all in together. Because why not? It looks very cool. I like it. But I feel like the purple just shows up a little more. A lot more, actually. I don't really like that. I want all of the colors to blend in. But it's still cool and satisfying. Doesn't make a difference because it still connects sand. Next up we have, hold up, Wacky Tracky. I like it. Really cool to have this. Then we have a very similar thing. A snake. Just a little more pop in the sound. But I like it. Actually, got this a month ago. Then sponsoring, I'm helping out Ryan's Toys World. I got his product. Really good. I like it. It has Orbeez in it. The water's blue and it has Orbeez in it. And I really like it. It's big. It's really good. And I just really like it. So thank you, Ryan, for making this. Then we got my pea popper. As you know, I love it. It used to be my dream fidget, but now I have it. It's not. Now it's the big poppet, the huge one, with 200 or more. And I like this pea popper. And now we have, these aren't fidgets, but I'm showing you my best Pokemon cards. So first we have Solgaleo. He has 250 HP and 230 damage. I really like that guy. That's kind of a hack trade for my neighbor. And then Ampharos upgrade, 220 HP, 120 plus damage. Then we got a upgrade EX of Kyogre, 180 HP and 140 damage. I really like those guys. And yeah, so those are my best Pokemon cards. And now we have my slime. Here's my slime. It was all blue and green. It had layers, and it was blue, green, no, light blue, blue, and green. And I mixed them all together, and it makes a pretty color. They were all sparkly, and I really like it, so yeah, and this is so good. I love it. And I hope you had a great time watching. Enjoy watching. Just hit that notification bell and press all, and then make that subscribe button not red, it's red, so make it gray, and make that like button gray as blue as well. So see ya, and also comment down below or reach 15 likes for part 2. 5 to 15 likes. So